Toddy, what's the news?
I've been hands-on with Oppo's secret flagship. There was one thing I couldn't show you from this year's MWC any sooner, and that was the Oppo Find X8 Ultra, announced earlier today. You get a quad 50 megapixel rear camera setup led by a massive 1-inch Sony Light 900 sensor and backed up by an ultra-wide with a new optical coating, as well as 3x and 6x telephoto snappers, with an additional AI zoom as was introduced on the X8 Pro at the end of last year. There's even a new true chroma sensor for superior color accuracy, like the X8 Pro, a physical quick button which doubles as a shutter key, along with a new separate shortcut key up top, and video fans will appreciate Dolby Vision support up to 120 FPS across both 1x and 3x sensors. Oppo is branding this as the thinnest ultra camera phone ever because despite its quad camera setup and a large 6100 mAh silicon carbon battery, the Oppo Find X8 Ultra measures in at just 8.78mm thick. Compare that to other recent rivals like the Xiaomi 15 Ultra at 9.35mm, and you can see that Oppo's worked hard to engineer a potent but slimline phone. Being an Ultra, you also get a bright 6.82-inch QHD+ AMOLED display, the latest Snapdragon 8 Elite chip in place of the X8 Pro's MediaTek Silicon, up to 16GB of the fastest and most power-efficient LPDDR5X RAM, and this is one of the first phones to boast the latest UFS 4.1 storage, up to 1TB of it. 100-watt fast charging means that massive battery can also be refilled in around just 40 minutes. There's just one pretty significant caveat to this new camera king though. The phone just launched in China, and at present Oppo doesn't have any plans to bring it to markets elsewhere, saying instead that many of the innovative technologies featured in this device will be integrated into future Oppo products, which will be made available in more regions globally. But what do you think? Is Oppo right to keep it a China-only exclusive, or have they missed a trick here? Let me know.